Assalamualaikum, this is Muqaddas Yamin and I will discuss carbohydrate information related to ozone experiment. In this, I will explain few points of glucose, fructose, galactose, mannose, lactose and maltose. And what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are defined chemically as aldehyde or ketonic derivatives of the higher polyhydric alcohols or compounds which yield these derivatives on hydrolysis. And what are glucose? Glucose is the most abundant carbohydrate and the most abundant organic compound. It belongs to the class of carbohydrates called monosaccharides. And what are monosaccharides? Monosaccharides are also called simple sugars, those which cannot hydrolyze further into simple forms, also called dextrose. It is also known as dextrose because it is dextrorotatory, means that as an optical isomer is rotates plane polarized light to the right. Glucose has the molecular formula C6H12O6 and is a reducing sugar found in fruits, honey, and is a major free sugar circulating in the blood of higher animals. Glucose contains 6 carbon atoms and an aldehyde group and is therefore referred to as an aldohexose sugar. Exists in open chain and ring cyclic form. Here is given Fischer projection and Haworth projection. Fischer projection, two structures of D-glucose in its open chain acyclic form, D-glucose and L-glucose. And what's the difference between D and L sugar? D and L glucose or sugar, also called enantiomers, which means they are mirror images of one another identified through hydroxy group present by considering the second last carbon. If the OH or hydroxy group is on the right hand side, then the sugar is called D sugar. If hydroxy or OH group or is present on left hand side, then the sugar is called L sugar. Haworth projection, here is given alpha D glucose, beta D glucose. And what is Haworth structure? Haworth structure is a common way of writing a structural formula to represent the cyclic structure of monosaccharide with a simple three-dimensional perspective. And what is the difference between alpha and beta sugar? If the OH group or hydroxy group is attached to it's below the ring, the molecule is alpha glucose or alpha sugar. If the OH group is above the ring, the molecule is beta glucose. Here is given fructose. नेचर क्या होती है फ्रक्टोज की? 6 कार्बन पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन सोर्स, fruits, honey, commercially derived from sugar cane. Molecular formula C6H12O6 crystalline. Fructose is a monosaccharide. High fructose corn syrup is a mixture of glucose and fructose anaerobically fermented by yeast and bacteria. Sweetest of all naturally occurring carbohydrates, it is the 6-membered ring form of fructose that is sweetest. Actually, two types of ring, 5-membered ring and 6-membered ring. Two types of ring, furan and pyran. Furan is the 5-membered ring and pyran is the 6-membered ring. The 5-membered ring form taste about same as usual table sugar. Here is given Fischer projection, Haworth projection, D fructose, L fructose, alpha D fructofuranose, beta D fructofuranose. Here is given 5-membered ring furanose. Galactose, simple sugar belonging to simple carbohydrates, monosaccharide and aldohexose sugar. It is also called reducing sugar. Epimer of glucose at C4. What is epimer? Epimer is an isomer which is difference only one carbon atom. Less sweeter than other monosaccharides derived from hydrolysis of the disaccharide lactose. The sugar of milk gradually converted in the liver to glucose, not essential in the diet. Glucose is changed into galactose in order to enable the mammary glands to secrete lactose in the human body. Fischer projection is given over here, a cyclic form of galactose. Haworth projection is given over here, alpha D galactose, beta D galactose. Then mannose, C2 epimer of D-glucose, aldehydic sugar, a dietary supplement obtained from both plants and microorganisms, act as hexose supplier. Fermentation to ethanol or yeast products improve congenital disorder of glycosylation, act as prebiotic, metabolized only in a small amount with excess amount rapidly excreted in urine. And what is prebiotic? Prebiotic are a type of fiber that the human body cannot digest. Source of mannitol, which is used in sweetening agents and carrier for medicines. Here is given Fischer projection, D-mannose, L-mannose, Howard projection, alpha D mannopyranose, beta D mannopyranose. Lactose, also called milk sugar, molecular formula C12H22O11, most common disaccharide. And what is disaccharide? Our disaccharide is the sugar formed when two monosaccharides are joined by glycosidic linkage. There are three common examples of disaccharides: sucrose, lactose, maltose. Here is lactose. Human milk contains 7.2% of lactose, which provides up to 50% of an infant's energy needs. Only source of lactose, which is a major component of human and higher primate brain, it can be broken down by the use of enzyme lactase, which is produced in the digestive tract. Made up of two monosaccharides, glucose and galactose, linked together by beta 1 for glycosidic linkage. Here is given structure beta D-galactose and joined through beta 1 for glycosidic linkage. Maltose, also called malt sugar, molecular formula C12H22O11, reducing sugar mostly found in grains like wheat, barley and corn, also to be found in molasses, which is sweetening products commonly found in baked foods produced by malting barley. Water soluble sugar, whereas insoluble in ether and alcohols. Metabolism of maltose by yeast during fermentation then leads to the production of ethanol and carbon dioxide. It is also a deoxyribonucleic sugar. Here is structure is given, made up of two glucose units linked together by alpha 1 for glycosidic bond. Thank you.